Okay, so I got the PlayStation Classic because apparently it's not the biggest success Sony ever had. And it became really cheap, really fast. I still wanted to try it because it was like 40 euros and that's the price I'm willing to pay for a fun look back to PlayStation history. It comes included with 20 games, as you can see, 2 controllers, 18 plus because there are some 18 plus mature games in it, but also some children games, so that's a bit, I won't say weird because of course you're legally obliged, but there's still plenty of fun stuff for children. Also, the thing is easily hacked, so you can add all the games you want, if you own them legally, of course. Well, here is the opening. And there's another one here. So, let's check it out. Open it up. Let's find out what's inside. Well, look at that. There's a white PlayStation box inside. Barcode stuff. And another opening methods. You can already see a booklet. It's here. PlayStation Classic. So that's the manual. And let's see if we can get it. Yes, we can. There's another box. And whoa! PlayStation Classic. So it's actually quite small. See, it's a bit in my hand. Got an HDMI and I think a micro USB on the back. And 2 USB ports on the front and 2 memory card slots, which are not really memory card slots. So, let's see what's left inside the box. Starting to get the hang of this opening with one hand stuff. Oh, that one easy. So you got 2 of these controllers, which are the classic controllers without analog sticks, but I did hear good things about the controllers actually. They are pretty good. And there's 1.5 meters of cable, which is not too bad. They're USB. Another one, like TJ Khaled. Got this USB cable, which I guess is kind of like the power cable, I guess. And we got HDMI, so we can insert it in our internet lifestyle. Connect with the any video device. I'm gonna guess it works fine. And I guess it's charged by USB, which is pretty cool. So it actually lacks like an actual charge point, I guess, but I guess you can put it, I guess you can power it with your TV or with any other console or whatever, or with a charger port in the wall, but still a bit sloppy in my opinion. So that's inside, and this one I'm going to try it out, and you will hear more about that soon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.